So since we need to think about color correction in terms of flesh tones, I'm going to go back to the project window and I'm going to try and find another clip that can help us deal with that. I'm going to go to Import, and this time I'm going to go to my Buffalo drive and we'll see if we can find some source movies that have some other elements in it. I guess I'm going to use this Leslie Radar game, even though I don't think it's particularly appropriate, but it does have a skin tone. So here we have this Leslie Radar game, and I can see some skin tone on it, not a ton of skin tone. I'm going to go to Effects now, and I'm going to choose the three-way color corrector again, and double-click it, and now I can consider pulling in the highlights a little bit and the blacks a little bit, the input level there. I can consider pulling in the highlights. I can try to see if my tones are correct here. One way to do that might be increase to 150%. I don't think it's too bad, actually. We could try increasing the saturation a little bit just to see what we get in that case. And quite honestly, this is not bad in terms of the color we have. That being said, what if we did want to make this not a warm white, but a cool white? Well, we could certainly start pulling toward the cool in this image. We could pull the highlight to the cool, we could pull the mid-tone a little bit to the cool, which seems to do quite a bit more. I feel like it's too much though. So I guess I would pull that back, and I would think about broadening this tonal range, pulling these elements out to try and heighten the tonal range definition. I might pull in my output a little bit or pull it out a little bit. Brighten by pulling in my input levels. Maybe I want to move my input level medium tone to the right and the lower one into the left to increase contrast. And that's not too bad. I think it could actually be a little bit more saturated, but it is not too bad. Okay. And I'm going to turn that off.